Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Root Insurance to review driving score insights. Open your App Store on your mobile device. Search for Root Insurance in the search bar. Locate the Root Insurance app in the search results. Tap the Install button to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it by tapping the icon. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Enter the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Set up a secure password for your account. Confirm your email address by following the verification link sent to your email. After verification, log back into the Root Insurance app. Navigate to the home screen of the app. Look for the option labeled Driving Score. Tap on Driving Score to access your driving insights. If prompted, grant the app permission to track your driving data. Begin driving to allow the app to collect data on your driving behavior. After a short period, return to the app to review your driving score. Explore the insights provided, including speed, braking, and turn accuracy. Use the feedback to improve your driving habits. Revisit the driving score section regularly to track your progress. Adjust your driving behaviors based on the insights for better scores. Enjoy the benefits of improved driving and potential savings on your insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.